Okay, here's the issue I got. I figured out this is a issue of VCarve Pro, as it outputs certain arcs as line segments when it's doing a 3D move. For example, here's a 10-inch diameter circle that I'm going to cut using VCarve's spiral in toolpath. So this is going to spiral ramp down to the bottom and then cut. You'll see that this is going to kind of stutter on the way down spiraling, but once it gets to Z level, which is -1, you'll see that it's I and J moves and it's really smooth. So this is 600 inches a minute, but it's not going to reach that until it gets to the bottom. So here we go. Now you see how smooth that was at the bottom. Those are all pure I and J moves. As we'll look here, our time is 24 seconds. Now I'm going to open up G-code that I modified by hand using I and J spiraling down instead of the line segment. So this is G-code I edited by hand. Let's watch the movement here. As you can see, that's 13 seconds, so about half the time. I'm still trying to figure out how I can smooth out the line segmenting on the VCarve profile. I don't know if I've tried different settings of constant velocity, shutting it off, shutting it on. I fooled around with all the settings here in SmoothStepper. Right now I'm using a 4 kilohertz controller frequency, 256 kilohertz max step frequency, which is probably, all these things are probably high. I could probably lower them. And over here in the config, I do have constant velocity on. Here's the CV control settings. I have everything off except G100 adaptive NURBS CV. I have the stop CV on angle off, but it doesn't seem to make too much of a difference when I have it on. Anyway, that's my video. Maybe somebody out there can figure out what's going on. Thanks.